My name is Princess Sharina Alizalhim, or just call me Sas. I am 19 years old from Nikaan, Libungan, North Cotabato, where you can find a big rivers and bridges that connected to different places and water sources. Nikaan is a place where you can encounter a humble, kind, and approachable people. In our barangay, there are different tribes and cultures. There are Christians and Muslims, and I am belong to Muslims or Islamic people, different from cultures and beliefs to my neighbor who is Christians. Nikaan is a place where you can find peace and relaxing moment. So come and visit. My father's name is Ajari Musa Alizalhim and my mother's name is Rose T. Alizalhim. They are both retired police and I have two siblings. My eldest sister named Hannah Sharian T. Alizalhim and my youngest sister named Fatima Alea T. Alizalhim. I finished my elementary journey at Parang Montessori Educational Center and my high school journey at Southern Christian College until senior high school, and now I am currently studying at Southern Christian College, upcoming second year BA History student. Honestly, BA History is not the first course I choose, but now I encourage to finish this course because I want to learn more about the course and I want to take this opportunity to give my best in studying because of the course that I choose. BA History is a very challenging course, but it makes me more interested, and I expected it before that it wasn't easy, but that's what I think only. And now I try the process in learning so I can do it. I choose to study at Southern Christian College because I know they provide a standard learning that no one can expect. SEC is a friendly school with a character that can bring a knowledge by living. My parents influenced me to enroll at Southern Christian College because they are interested to the quality of education that can SEC provides to the students. I encourage myself to finish my study and take the degree for my future and for myself. I want to reach my goals for a great future, but I can achieve it by encouraging myself more and gain a moral, emotional, and physical support from my family. But in this time, changing generation, we cannot avoid the hindrances that we face like financial problems, self-disappointment, emotional problem, stress, depression, and also anxiety. But we can encounter those challenges by making ourselves strong and fight for life to achieve those goals that we wanted. And as we look forward, I see myself after 10 years that finally reached the dreams and goals in life, having a proud parents and a great future for a future life. Even we encounter the pandemic, which people only thinks their safety. Many people's life experience more miserable because of the COVID-19 virus. Their daily life, studies, and even their foods affected, but they do their best to protect and fight for a future that comes. And as a student, it is hard for me to experience that kind of problem. It breaks my whole life that I cannot do my tasks because of the threat in my health. It affects my studies. All students stop going to school for safety and doing online classes, but I keep myself motivated to continue my study even they only conduct online classes. Although it is hard, but I don't have any choice but to accept. And now, face-to-face classes is back. I am very thankful, most especially to Allah, that we are free from outside and experience again to talk and play with our classmates, teachers, friends, and schoolmates. Lastly, I prefer to choose a face-to-face class rather than online class because not all students have a gadgets and internet connection for online, and it changes the learnings of the student if it stays online. Unlike in face-to-face, students go to school and practice a friendly attitude to others.